Alright, y'all, what is good, everybody on YouTube? It's your boy Moody, and you know,
it's your girl Naveen.
Can't go nowhere without my lovely wife, but you already know today, title, thumbnail, picking up these black cement threes. But if you're new to the channel, you know we do some errands on Saturdays. So we're gonna do a little bit of running around, get some lunch, make a quick little stops because we are gonna be leaving this evening for Thanksgiving break. So yeah, let's go. Door's right here. Let's get it. So the first stop is this Tony's Italian deli spot. They got some very fire sandwiches. If you're in the Houston area, you might want to check them out. You're gonna see I got this chicken parmesan sandwich, and then she gets like this turkey sandwich, and it's toasted. So good. But besides the fact, look, I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I thought, look, I'm looking at these black cement threes, man. I'm looking at this price. I remember in the last video I said these weren't gonna sit. They sitting. I mean, I don't think they're gonna sit for long. Like, they black cement threes, but you know, oh my lord, you ain't gonna be able to see it, but on StockX right now, like the bigger man sizes is like $10 over retail, which is kind of crazy because I'm like, bro, it's a black cement 3, but what can I say, man? This is like a great time to be a sneakerhead because like you can literally just go into any store and then like get majority of the shoes that you want. Like, I know like a lot of resellers probably don't like it. That's when you find a different hustle. You a businessman. There's other ways out here to make money than selling sneakers. Sell something else. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, let's get this food. I don't want to talk y'all head off too much. We're gonna talk about the shoes when we get them. Let's eat. All right, so it's a little bit too packed in there. It is a Saturday, but this is what we looking like. It's the build your own. You want to tell them what you got?
Crusty Italian roll with roasted turkey, Munster cheese, spring lettuce mix, Roma tomatoes, roasted red peppers, mayonnaise, oil, and toasted.
Yeah, looking real good. Nice toasty.
Yeah. Greased up and oiled down.
You see it? That's the inside. Ooh.
This sandwich was $11.95, and it's called the Build Your Own. They have different meats, different toppings. I'm a little bit more picky, so I don't do the traditional ones, but they say to try their regular ones, and Darius got a regular one.
For me, this was the chicken parmesan, and you can see the chicken parmesan. This chicken's already falling off, but yeah, 5. But yeah, I'm gonna have to put the camera down because we got some oil on the bread. We got napkins. Yep, so. Got that pack secured, my personal size. Let's get it, man. Alright, y'all, so we are back at the house, and as you can see, we got that bag secured, y'all. So I ain't took a look at them yet. You know, some people be saying to look at them in the store, but I have a feeling like even if you look at them in the store, they still not gonna let you like get another pair or trade out for a different size that's the same size, if that makes sense. But first and foremost, this box a little bit better. We got a little dent, but I'll take it. Look, that other box was thrashed. Box clean. Like I said in the last video, I was jealous of my wife's 7Y because it has tumble leather, and we're gonna get into some comparisons. Wrapping paper, we looking good here. Jordan card, showing you all the details. But the materials, here's the moment of truth, y'all. Okay. All right. Twinkle, twinkle. All right, let's look at the other one. Look, that size 11 disappointed me now. size 11 disappointed me. Let's see what this other side. Okay, this is a little bit better. The leather quality of these, or the leather that I was looking to have on my pair, it's on here. I feel like this right one is a little bit more tumbled than the left, but all in all, we ultimately have black cement 3s, y'all. Like I was saying, I wanted my leather to be a little bit tumble in the last video, so they kind of showed that here, which I do appreciate. The box is in good condition. That's all your boy could ask for. Got a $20 off coupon because we getting it from JD Sports. JD Sports has been the GOAT for the past 3 years with collecting sneakers. So shouts out to JD Sports, man. Jumpman on the tongue, looking good. Gray, orange Nike hang tag, gray bottoms, red pod Nike, that beautiful Nike Air on the back heel of the shoe. Overall, it's a great shoe. I feel like with a lot of people talking on social media, like the OG, all the OGs know they still gonna pick these up regardless. But from the last video, I had a lot of people in the comment section that were saying that this particular shoe right here was better, and I did a video on these already, and that's the I'm on my year 3s. I do really like these shoes, and they kind of resembled each other a little bit, just a tad bit. So people were saying they'd much rather have this over the I'm on my year 3s. The I'm on my year 3s were also more expensive. I want to say after, like, if you got them for retail and you paid taxes and stuff, it was like $250. That price has dramatically decreased since then, but yeah, originally that was the price. But the leather quality on these are just immaculate. You have quilted on the inside. Like, if you wanted something that was a little bit more quality, this is what you're gonna get out of the I'm on my years versus the black cement 3s. Like, I feel like this is something that, like, the quality from this shoe is kind of a little bit expected. It's just a little disappointing because when you have the white cements that came out in 2023, like, the leather on here was a little bit more tumble. Like, you know, it did have that kind of like sale feel on it. You know, some people were a little indifferent about it. But overall, I feel like the white cement 3s, quality wise, were a little bit better than these for the whole entire release in general. I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comment section if you'd rather have the this year's black cement 3s or last year's white cement 3s. Look, I'm gonna keep it low. But like I was saying earlier, like the gray school pairs, if you got a gray school pairs, check them. They don't look too bad, y'all. Like, it's my wife's pair, of course. We only had to get her one. She had a good box. Her came out with good quality. We ain't have to do nothing much more from there. Outside of that, I mean, I already did another video. If you haven't already checked that out, that was my original unboxing for the black cement 3s. Y'all let me know in the comment section, did you end up grabbing these today? Were you able to pick them in store? Did you grab a pair online? I know that they sat for a good little while. I know I was able to go in and still get another 11 and a half. I ain't gonna lie, I had to cancel it because I'm just like, I don't need 3 11 and a halves. Like, it was crazy, so I had to cancel it. Y'all ready for these Columbia 11s? That's because you know that's next. The Columbia 11s are next. And then in January, we get into black cat 3s. All right, y'all get in the comment section. I ain't gonna take up too much of your time. Appreciate y'all for watching as always. Stay ready for the next video. Thanksgiving's coming up. Like I said in the last video, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you're thankful for, because there's a lot in life to be thankful for. All right, so it's your boy Moody. I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here. Appreciate y'all for watching, and I'm gone. I'm gonna let y'all know right now, I just got done doing a B-roll because I shot the last clip before I actually got out here and did the B-roll. Yeah, I'm very impressed. I like it. I feel a lot more better about my pair now, I'm not gonna lie. These, yeah, they look great, y'all. If you haven't got them, go ahead and get them. All right, now, the video's done.